Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be making this beautiful halter neck dress you can see on my screen. If this is what you are interested in, stay tuned and let's get started. And if you've just joining my channel today, please feel free to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. So this is a 3 years at the Recre fabrics. I'll be placing my fabrics in a bias form. That is the best way to cut your halter neck dress. So the first thing I'll be needing here is my shoulder measurement. My shoulder is 16 divided by 2. That will give me 8. 8 plus 1, making it 9. So I'll be placing my tape on my fabric to get where 9 is. Then after doing that, I mark. From the edge of the fabrics, I'm going to take whatever I get there across to the other side. But after doing that, I noticed that I had more than what I was working with. I had more than 9, so I had to go up by 1.5. Mind you, this was not intentional. This was a mistake. Not really a mistake, but I didn't place my tape very well. I was supposed to place my tape in a curvy way, but I placed it straight, and then that affected whatever I was doing. So I wanted to correct this so you don't do the same mistake that you don't make the same mistake that I made. So the best way to go about this is to, once you get your shoulder measurement, you add your allowance to it, and then you place your tape in a curvy way before you mark, and then you take whatever you get across. Then from that 1.5 allowance, from that your shoulder allowance, you come down by 1.5. That 1.5 is going to serve as your allowance, and it's going to give more fullness around that area. So that's the best way to go about. Then from the 1.5 with which you come down with, then you mark the length of the fabric, the length of the person, the length, any length you're working with. So I'll be marking from here, I'll be marking 35 inches around. I'll take whatever I get, I'll mark it around the fabrics. Then after doing that, I'll cut. So I'll be cutting the hem first, and then I'll cut out here. So this is for the front. From here, I'm going to mark my waist measurements. From the place where the allowance that I marked, I'm going to mark my waist measurements. Mind you, my waist measurement is 17, so I'm marking it across. This will enable me to cut the back. So for the back, I'm going to be placing my fabric the same way I placed the first one, the front, which is in bias form. I'll be placing it the same way before placing the front on it. Just follow whatever I'm doing and you'll come out with a better outfit, a better and beautiful outfit. So here I'm arranging the front to fit the back. Don't try to minimize your fabrics here. Maybe some people will be complaining that you will be wasting fabrics here. This one, it will not, if you don't do it like this, it will not give you enough gathers for the back. It will not give you enough gathers at the back. So this is the best way to do it. So after placing, I cut out the hem, as you can see. Then before I trace out the waist to the back, you know, we've already notched when we marked the waist on the front, we notched it, so that will help us cut the back. So I'm going to trace out the whatever I marked to the back of the dress, and then take the measurement across to the other side. So this is it. This is how it looks like after cutting. So the next thing is to sew. So I'll be folding the side first. I'll fold the both side before folding the top. The top is where we are going to put our strap. So after doing that, I will do the same for the back. But for the back, we'll be adding elastic to it. So for my elastic, my waist circumference is 32. 32 divided by 2, which is 16. So 16 minus 5, that will give me 11 inches. So the 11 inches is what my elastic will be. So that is what I'll be adding to the back. So this will help make the gathers to be fuller, and so it can fit whoever that is wearing it. So after doing that, this is the outcome of it. I've already joined everything, added my strap and then the elastic and joined it to the front. So this is how it looks like. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, share this video, comment, and see you in my next video. So this is the outcome of the dress. This is the outcome of it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye guys. See you in my next video.